What's up, guys? Me, Mike, and the Spunky Gang, back with another video. I just couldn't film in a long time. Don't ask why. But I'm just so happy to be able to finally film. So, yesterday, I know I said I was getting my fire alarm today, but I was wrong. I was meant to say on Tuesday midnight or Wednesday, I meant. And this is an actual fire alarm. An actual fire alarm, okay? An actual fire alarm we're talking about, like an actual fire alarm police station. I'm not pranking around. This is actually an actual fire alarm police station. Showed up with my light switch, got 29K views, 300 likes, 17 comments, 53 new subscribers. Can we do that to this video? No, not this video. Can we do it to when I get my fire alarm Tuesday or Wednesday? Thank you. Disclaimer: warning. If you have autism or if you hate really loud noises, please leave the video ASAP. This video is all about fire alarms, and some autistic children might hate fire alarms, just like your headmaster named Michael #Hoffman. Thank you, and please stay on hold while Michael gets his radioactive headphones, so that way he doesn't have to deal with loud noises. Thank you. Alright guys, got my headphones, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. But if you are autistic, please leave the video because this will get loud. As you can see, I got my headphones on, so get ready. Okay guys? Hold on. I gotta link this up, hold on, sorry. One wire is here. Oh, okay. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Alright, let's do this, guys. Wait, why am I here? That's weird. So, yeah, look. This game is called School with Fire Alarms, just so you know. Elementary update, just so you know. Oh yeah! Who dares me to make a video where I go tell people my secret that I'm a YouTuber? Well, whoever watches this channel, they know, but some people don't know. So yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. That is creepy, a tornado shelter. Hold on. Guys, this is gonna get really loud. Oh, I don't know. Let me know. This is gonna get loud, okay? Like, really, really loud, okay? Really, 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 really loud, okay? Just want to let you know, it's gonna get really loud out here, alright? Let's do this! It's gonna get loud! Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Oh, that's creepy. That's creepy right there. Opening. Hold on, guys. This is getting loud as heck, actually. Chat, this is getting loud as heck. Get ready. Oh my god. It's this loud. I gotta turn this off quick. I gotta turn this off. Don't ask why my name's in Japanese, okay? Don't ask. No asking. Oh yeah, I got the Super 10-bit Game Pass, so I can do anything I want. By the way, just so you know. Don't know why I'll tell you, but I just feel like it. I get the Super 10-bit Pass. This is also gonna get loud. I just want to let you know.
Attention, attention. Whitehead High School is now going into lockdown.
Oh, great.
What are you doing?
It wasn't me.
What was it?
Are you kidding me? I have to talk to my editor. Guys, be right back. I gotta talk to my editor. Thank you. Dad, editor.
All I do is open the door.
Oh, I heard a loud noise.
Oh, so did my...
Oh, you came in my room. You came in my room, Dad. Yeah, you came in my room, Dad. So? Dad, I don't know if you watch the movie. Just go put the video on YouTube. Alright. Alright, feel. Well, alright guys. Luckily the video can still go on YouTube, just so you know. The video can still go on YouTube. So thank God it can still go on YouTube. Because this is an 8-minute video. We're retarded on this. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to filming.
Attention, attention. Whitehead High School.
Well, oh yeah, like and subscribe so that way they can put this in my school, because I want this in my school. Shutter and stuff, and yeah. Right. Darn headphones, I gotta get these back on.
Attention, attention. Whitehead High School is...
Yeah, pretty cool. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys are excited for Tuesday midnight or Wednesday. It's gonna be a cool day, alright? Just to end it off. Get it?